Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create Hudl Fan account. So let's first start with the first step, which is go to the hudl.com and look for the fan account sign up option. So this is a free account type, so it lets you follow the teams and watch shared highlights without being a coach or athlete. So next step is enter your email address and create a password for your new fan account. So you can also sign up using your Google or Apple account for faster registration. So you can also use a personal email, not a school email if you're a parent or a fan. So next step is add your name and customize your profile settings. So you can choose your preferences for notifications and content recommendations based on your interests. So you can also add a profile photo so teams and players can recognize you. Next step is search for your sport teams that you want to follow. So you can find teams by school name, location, or sport. Then you can follow multiple teams to build your personalized feed. So lastly is access your personalized dashboard with highlights, game films, and updates from your followed teams. So you can engage with the community by liking and commenting on the videos. So just a pro tip, you can download the Huddle application for mobile access to all your team content. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!